Hi there, this is Trail Rider 570. This will be my final installment of my mirrors. And this is one I'm going to show you how to operate them. And this is kind of my review after using them for a few days. They're awesome. I'll say that. I've been playing with the lights, and that's why I want to wait till now to do the review on them, because I wanted to make sure I know how to work the app and all that. So anyway, guys, right here they are on the Ranger. They're installed on both sides, obviously on both sides, but then eventually, let's go around here. You can see how they're set up. The other one's over there. And what I did in here is I wanted to put them on switch. So what I do is I got a switch right here. There's this blue light on it. Okay, now the lights are on. Now we're going to turn the lights out here. And you can see them. Right there they are on. You can set them so that they, let's go like this. There we go. We can make them flash. I can go back. I can go back here. Give me a minute. I'm having trouble with my app here. Hold on. See, now they're red. So now I can go make them green. I can make them blue. I can make them yellow. Or you can go just make them white. So if you just want to run one extra lighting on your unit, you can. And that's all done through here, through the app. There's a bunch of colors here, and what I'm doing is I touch. There's yellow, there's blue, there's that color. Then we can turn them. We can see there, we can make them kind of orange in color. Give them a little greenish orange. Oh, we can go back around. We can make them red. We can make them blue. We can go back to the lighter colors. Back to green. Go to yellow, obviously. We can go back to red. So you can change all the colors of them. And this is all done through your phone. I'm using my phone here. Or we can pick our color of choice. There we go. Then we can go up here. Top to touch the next box over. Give me a minute here. Okay, I'm doing this one-handed. Doesn't always work that way. There we go. Then we can touch the box and we can make the light strobe. So you can make them solid, or you can make the light strobe. Then also when they're strobing, you can adjust them how fast you want them to strobe here. There we go. We slow them down a little bit, then we can dim them up a little bit. We can make them so they're not as bright. Notice they're not as bright now. That's all done through your phone app. Then we can turn them back up, and now so they get brighter again. Then we go back. Go over here and see what this one is. Then you got all these other. They got different things in the app here you can play with. Excuse me for using my hand here. And we're right back where we started from. So now I can run them solid lights, so I can run them in conjunction with my driving lights and my headlights on the unit. And like I say, we can go back here. For some reason, my fingers on this screen don't always work. We can change the colors, like I say, go red, blue, green, red, I should say, yellow, and we can go just a solid white. There's the white. Then you can go, supposedly, now that I got my app figured out, we go here. Use my fingers here, doing this one-handed. See, I can turn them off. I can turn the lights off, or I can turn them on with the phone app. See there? See, now they're off. Then we go over here, and I just touch my phone app here, right here, and turn the lights back on. So you can turn them all back on and off with your phone app. But I put a switch in there because I wanted to make sure. Then you can also set the lights to where they will go off in a certain amount of time too. And I've ridden with them now for a few days. See, I have the switch that with the blue light there. I've ridden with them now for a few days, and they work quite well. My wife felt the flashing lights were kind of annoying, so what I could do is I figured the app, and I was just running a different color. In Michigan here, if you run these on the road like this, you will get a ticket. Michigan, they don't like flashing lights on running on the roads up here, only unless it's an emergency vehicle or a police or an ambulance. So you would get it pulled over for it. So you don't run these lights in Michigan on the roads that we run on up here. So I can run them on the trail, but I can't run them on the roads. But that's the only drawback. So, but I can run a solid light. I can run this in addition to my headlights and be okay. So that's, that's a good thing about them. And so far, they've held up. I've hit one branch for the passenger side, and it pushed the mirror around. But I've hit brush with them and everything else, and after I got them initially set, they were working quite well. They didn't move around or anything like that. While I'm talking here, let's make them flash. And there we go. But yeah, you can change the how they start to flash. They're red, blue, green lights, so you can make them flash. And they're really cool lights. I'd highly recommend them. I like the mirrors. I've never had a set of mirrors on a side-by-side, and I thought these were cool. And this is not put together as a work machine. I use it for trail rides. I wanted a big box to haul coolers and stuff. That's why I got a UTV. But it works well on the trails. I got more things coming for it. This is for Kemi Moto, of course. And then I got another manufacturer sending me some stuff to do a review on as well. So, but these are pretty cool, guys, for the money. And I will put the link to the lights in the video in the video when it uploads. So if you want to order a set, they're pretty cool. Let's say we can go back and make them solid. And like I say, we can go through the list here. Yellow, blue, green, and red. Then, so you can change the colors of them. You can set your favorite colors here. We got the default colors. Like I'm gonna default it to white. But then you can go to your favorite colors, and you can set whatever colors you want. Like I say, to make them flash, we go up here and I touch this next box over. And there's a Bluetooth unit built into the wiring harness underneath the hood. That's how the phone works with them. Little box, it comes with it. So then we can go there and make them flash. So we just flip one box over. Or if you go up here in the corner, if you can see it, there's a little yellow right here by my thumb. If we hit that, if I can hit it right, that'd be all right. And we turn the lights off, just like that. All right, hit it again, and the lights are on. Then we go over here, and I can make them solid. So, I highly recommend you check them out. These are from Kemi Moto. And actually, you cannot see it. They are from Kemi Moto. I'll turn the lights on now, so we can, there we go. They can check them out. Like I say, I put mine on a power switch in here so I can turn them on and off too. There we go. But they're Kemi Moto lights. They're aluminum lights. They're nice heavy light. Right there's the Kemi Moto logo for you. So yeah, I'd recommend them. The install, it took me about an hour to put them on, and the install is fairly straightforward, simple. It just clamps around the windshield, and you got wires, a pit harness here. We just, in the last video I did, and you just run them in here, hook them into the harness, and hook the harness into a power. Excuse this, I've been riding it. You notice I did change out the tires on it finally, but it's been working well, and the lights open up a whole new thing for me. I like riding it because I ride with groups now, and I can just glance out my left or right, and I can see the people behind me, not without having to turn my neck around and watch them. And they kind of go with the machine. It's a black. It's black, and they work quite well. They're not big and gaudy. So, yep, I'd recommend them. And like I say, you know, it's been doing well for me. You can't see some of my other setups. I got camera mounts and stuff in here, but no, they've been working well. So, without getting this video too awful long, yeah, we'll end it with a light show. How was that? There we go. We'll end it with a light show here for you. There you go. And that's the lights flashing away on it. Yeah, they work really cool. I'm quite happy with them. I'm glad they sent them to me. And like I say, I'm not necessarily, they give me the product in exchange for the review. That's how I do these. So I'm not doing it because they gave them to me to review, and I didn't necessarily pay for them. But I'm doing this review and telling you I like them because I do. If I got something to review and I didn't like it, I definitely would tell somebody, would tell you that I didn't like it. But so far, they're awesome. And they set the machine up right. When you got them going, you light up the front end, it looks like a spaceship, the way the shape of the side-by-side is. So that being said, guys, if you're new to my channel, would you please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future updates. And as always, I will see you on the next video. And for now, this is Trail Rider 570. Signing off from here. And as always, goodbye and God bless. And I will see you on my next video. And bye for now.